Chad's blowing his nose in the background of our video. But here's Jack. Hey, Jack. Hi.
Talking in the back of the video.
I'm narrating. This is what the narrator does.
This is the narrator.
Hey, Jack. Can you smile at us? Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey. What are you doing over there? You hanging out in your chair? Like a big boy? Hey. Smile. Show us your big smiles. I know you want to talk. There's one. Yay! Happy Jack. Happy Jack. Yeah. I'm a happy little guy. Get those feet going. See, I love stripes. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Get his legs going. You're about to move to the side. Anything you'd like to share with the rest of us? Anything at all? Nope? All right. Nice. Good one.